Hey guys, so every year we launch our large ugly Christmas sweatshirt catalog, which are all done for you designs, meaning that you can just publish these to your store and start selling them. You can access them from the homepage inside the Subliminator app by clicking this banner, or you can go to products and then click done for you. So this brings out a ton of designs that you can just publish to your store. The mockups are already generated, the flat mockups, front side and a back side view. And then we cover a ton of different niches here that you can select. So whether you're selling in a specific niche or you have a more generic store, I think you can find something workable for everyone. Now, what I want to showcase in this video is how you can take it to the next level with AI by creating really good ad creatives that you can use for your advertisement to sell these products. Because flat mockups generally are good for your product listing. But if you can add a lifestyle image of somebody wearing it in a certain setting, it can add value and can be more persuasive to your customers to buy the product. I want to show you how we're going to create those AI images using two different tools here. I want to use ChatGPT to create the prompt, and then I'm going to use FreePic to generate the image. So if we jump into ChatGPT, as you can see, I already uploaded the front and the back image, which you can just grab from the Subliminator catalog of a ugly Christmas sweatshirt. And I have this prompt that I wrote here. I mean, you can get as detailed or as creative as you want. Just a couple of things to pay attention to when you're using it in combination with FreePic, because the strength with the AI lies in being able to reference an image so they can use that exact image to create a certain setting. So what I have here is I wrote, use these two images where the front side of the sweatshirt is at image 1 and the back side is at image 2. If you want to create some I want you to create some festive settings to showcase this ugly Christmas sweatshirt to use for ad creatives. Give me different prompts to test where there is a variety in settings, as well as different genders and skin tones of the person wearing the shirt. So now it's going to generate a few prompts. What we're going to do is we're going to let it work, and we're going to head back to FreePic. So here it's important that I upload these reference images that I have, that I uploaded in ChatGPT. I want to make sure that they're in the same order, right? Because if I change the order, if I move the backside image here, then it becomes at image 1, which makes the prompt think that this is the front side, which in this case it isn't. So this is ready. Now I just need to input my prompt here, and I can put my ratio here. By the way, the reason why I recommend FreePic is because FreePic basically has every AI image and video generator through their API already in there. So you only need one plan to access all of these different image generators and see which one works best for you. Personally, I really like Google Nano Banana. But more recently, I started switching to Seedream 4K because I think it gives you a larger output image, a bit more detail, and a bit more coherence with your prompt. But I mean that you can test all different kind of AIs here, all in one place, and then you don't have to switch between subscription plans with all of these companies. Going back to ChatGPT, I'm just going to copy these prompts, right? So I'm just going to copy paste, and then I'm just going to let it run in the background, and I'm going to go back and forth and do the same with the next prompts. We'll probably reach a max that I can have simultaneous generations running at the same time. But we'll find out soon. So this is number 4. This is number 5. This is number 6. How many more we have? I mean, you don't have to test all of them, right? I'm just going to put all of them in there, just show you type of results that you can get in a few minutes. And of course, it's going to work a lot faster if you don't generate 4 images per prompt. I like to maximize it and put it at 4. If you want to do 1, it's going to be relatively faster. I'm just going to let it run in the background as it is created. You know, you can see sometimes it gives you an error. Usually this is related to the prompt. If something is wrong with the prompt. We can already go over the ones that are actually working. This is not such a bad image to start with. Also, very plain, straightforward. You have somebody in a festive setting wearing an ugly Christmas sweatshirt. This one also looks great. Sometimes you get some silly results like these, where you have the guy sitting here in the flamingo, similar to the one on the sweatshirt. But sometimes, actually, especially with an ugly Christmas sweatshirt, if it looks crazy, it could actually be really good for an ad creative. If it makes people laugh, I mean, emotion is everything, right? When you want people to purchase something. Also, not too bad. You know, sometimes this is where it becomes a little bit more tricky, and you can actually solve this by doing better with the prompt. But you can see here that it's putting the front side design on the back. But then these two are actually using the right backside design. So sometimes it does require some tweaking on the prompt. I mean, all of these are usable, right? I mean, they all look pretty great. I mean, for example, this, I wouldn't use this because you want to show the front side of the sweatshirt, right? Because it's about the artwork, about the emotion. But then this one could be usable. So in a few minutes, you're able to create some really good looking, ugly Christmas sweatshirt images. Like I said, these are paid tools, but they're not very expensive. So you can try them out. I believe most of them also have like a free trial, or you get like a small group of credits that you can use to test them out. Hopefully this can be helpful for you to crush it this holiday season with these ugly Christmas sweatshirts.